I am a student and trust me, it's very complicated. For
Yeah.
example, aletheia. Do you know the concept? It is a philosophy, the concept of aletheia.
Yeah, before I read, now I forget.
It is not in physics, it is not in books. This is a
Wallah?
personal topic. Yeah. This is
No,
a
no.
thing that you can research about. Aletheia is a concept that was introduced. It's actually from ancient Greek.
Okay.
Greek word aletheia. Aletheia means truth, or for example, discovered or
Okay.
unforgotten. Remember the word unforgotten.
Okay.
Aletheia says that what we know is real.
You're telling me, remember the word?
Unforgotten. Unforgotten.
These both words
Na
are
bhula
opposite
hua.
for me.
I'll explain to Mamu.
I have short
na
memory.
Bhula hua. Na bhula hua.
Hmm.
Na bhula hua. Chini yershawe.
Hmm.
So what I'm trying to say, unforgotten, that is what aletheia is. So indirectly, in a simple case scenario with us, if you don't know something, it is
Okay.
not true. But
Okay.
if you know something, it is true. What is discovered, what is known, is
Like
true.
if I don't know about Japan, so it's mean Japan is not true.
Yeah.
But if I know about Japan,
Yeah,
mean
it
it's
is
true.
true. For you, it is not true, but for who it knows Japan, it is true.
Ah,
That is the
okay, okay.
concept of aletheia. Knowledge or real or not real is true to the person. For example, you see someone killing. Okay. So you say to the person to the police that I saw him kill him.
Okay.
So for you, it is true. For
Okay.
police, they say no, that is not true.
Okay. Yeah.
That
yeah.
is the
And
concept.
they also
of,
bring me to
yeah,
jail.
yeah. That is the concept.
So I will not
of,
tell to police, na?
Yeah. So
I
that
will
is
just
the
run away.
concept of aletheia. What we know is real, unforgotten.
Okay.
जो चीज भूली ना हो वो सच है और जो चीज भूल गई हो वो सच नहीं है. Whatever we know or we
अच्छा जैसे मैं अपना बचपन भूल गया हूँ वो सच
Yeah.
नहीं है.
Yeah. No. For example, I'll give you an example. Aletheia means that what you have forgotten is not real, but what is unforgotten, that is real. Now let me give you an example. Alzheimer's या dementia जानते हैं? Alzheimer's or dementia, do you people know that?
Yeah, I know.
Okay. Seems
Okay.
like you have Alzheimer's and dementia.
Yeah, maybe.
Alzheimer and dementia is a illness that makes people forget.
Same me.
No, it is
Wallah.
very severe. In Alzheimer's,
Sorry.
people forget their relatives. They forget their how to speak, how to walk. They forget who they are. They turn
Yeah,
into
even
kids.
sometime I'm flying.
Yeah,
in my dream.
They are,
I forget
they
in my
talk
dream.
like kids. They don't know what they're doing. They just forget. Only some memories remain, and most of the things are gone. Now let me give you a case.
I only remember about money.
That's
Rest
a
of
good
all I
point.
forget.
That's a good point. For
Okay.
example, Alzheimer's disease, first you forget memories. So in your childhood, what happened in reality, you forget. So there are fake reality, fake.
Okay, that is fake.
It is only
My
in your
childhood
brain.
is fake.
Yeah. For dementia people, the real childhood is forgotten, new childhood which is fake.
Ah, okay.
So for them, the new childhood is real, but it is not real. So
that time 2G, na? Now
Yeah.
I'm entering 5G, so I forget about 2G.
yeah, forget about 2G.
Okay.
So for example, for them, the new reality, the new childhood is real. Because the old memories are replaced. But for example, for you know that what happened. So for you, the old childhood is real. For them, the new one is real. They forget the old one. So for the old one, that is aletheia. They don't know about it.
हाँ,
That is not true. नहीं
Okay.
है सच. क्यों नहीं है सच? क्योंकि उन्हें पता ही नहीं है कि वो हुआ
हाँ,
था.
उन बेचारों
वो
को
भूल
कुछ
गए.
नहीं पता, वो
Yeah,
गेम
they
खेलने
have
में मसरूफ है.
forgotten- No, they have forgotten what was the reality and rather replaced it with their own fake thoughts. So for them, the aletheia is the new replaceable memories rather than the old real memories that happened in time and continue.
Believe me, I feel now I am my professor is with me, and I'm in a classroom. But I'm enjoying also because I have very friendly professor, and I'm really enjoying.
Yes.
Okay.
So same case goes with aletheia. So now the quantum theory or the quantum mechanics, it is a form of aletheia. If you know about it or if you have experienced it, it's true. But if you haven't experienced it, we can never know. So there is a 50-50 chance that there is another world. Now there are three terms. What
Okay.
is isekai? In Japanese, it is isekai. I'm not talking
Isekai.
about the cartoons.
In
by the
Pashto,
way.
it's mean what are you doing?
Another world.
No, in Pashto, it's mean what are you doing? Isekai. Okay.
Yeah, I get
So
it.
you will understand.
But, yeah, but for example, I'm not talking about the cartoons or stuff, but I'm talking about the term isekai. Isekai stands for another world.
Okay.
So isekai meaning is another world.
Okay.
There is a concept that isekai transfers. So you are going from one world to another. That is one concept. Second is in Hindi we call that Punarjanam.